An accused person has the right to defend himself and to challenge the state's case also. Accused before court here, they have the right to challenge any piece of evidence. Like, for instance, because it has been discovered, this court doesn't have to inquire as to how it was discovered, because it appears that in any event, Mr. Ramasipili wanted to utilize this evidence of photographs. So Mr. Ramasipili actually wants to use photographs which are pertaining to an investigation in another case. But I'm saying the right of his client to Section 3551C supersedes even the privilege which the state could claim or wants to claim. Okay. So if you want to use that evidence, sir, you may do so.
So there is the ruling by Judge Ratha to say that the defense can actually use any evidence that they have in court, because Advocate Baloyi was trying to block the defense from using the pictures of the park as evidence in court. So it turns out Judge Ratha actually showed his human side by saying he doesn't want anyone to be going after him when this case goes elsewhere, to say that he denied the defense from using this evidence. So what does this mean for the defense and the 5 accused? Now that they can use the pictures of the park, it means that they can use this evidence to show that they were actually not there that night on 26 October 2014. Because the thing is that Brigadier Kininda is using the locations of the cell phone towers and saying this cell phone was picked up at this tower and there were movements and they were seen by these accused who were standing, by witnesses actually, who were standing outside the house and they saw these guys running up and down. So the defense is now going to come and start to use these pictures and present them in court to show that the accused actually never ran in any of these directions. So in essence, this is actually a good thing, because it's going to be a fair trial, because you don't want anyone crying tomorrow and saying, I was denied to use this. But you are actually now giving everyone an opportunity to use and present whatever that they have. So the question is again, how can the defense use these pictures again? Another way that I'm seeing that the defense can use these pictures is to show the park and also indicate that the direction that Brigadier Kininda is talking about does not correlate with the direction that the suspects ran, because you'll be having the pictures of the park and having the evidence that has already been presented by Brigadier Kininda. So the directions that Kininda will be talking about will not correlate with the pictures of the park, which is the evidence that Judge Ratha is now saying the defense can now actually use. So the defense can use these pictures to actually try and win the case in their favor. So tell me what you think in the comment section about other ways that the defense can use this evidence.